because it all starts with 3 letters on how to earn here in Atomy business. So because joining here in Atomy, meaning you are having a goal, you want to earn, of course, that's our goal, that once we started, I believe we can have earnings here in Atomy. So we can earn. So I'm your sales master, Richard from Philippines. So let's study about this topic, compensation plan. So our chairman, Hangul Park, uh, he always told us that the Atomy's goal, number one goal, is customers' success. So I believe that is his heart, his desire and goal, that all customers will become successful like us, you and me. So that's Chairman Hangul Park's a goal in life, why he established Atomy, right? So, and I'm grateful for that, that I am one of those member here in Atomy. Okay, we have around 16 million members worldwide. Okay po? So, our products are all absolute quality and absolute price. Okay, that we always mention that all Atomy products are absolute quality and absolute price. We call that Mastige. Okay, mass and then prestige is high quality products that are affordable out in the market. So we are marketing our products with the high quality. So, and with that high quality, it's all affordable out in the market. Okay, so that's very good. Atomy products. So we have skincare, cosmetics, hair and body, home care, food, lifestyle. So we have around 600 kinds of products in Atomy, especially there in Korea. But there are some countries that some of the products are not yet available. So here in Philippines, so there are many products that are not yet available here. Like for example, the Noni is just newly arrived product here in Philippines. I think just only June last month. So arrived here and it is new product, the Noni products. And we uh, we bought that, we purchased because it's good for our health. Okay. So my daughter bought the other day, and that Noni products arrived here today. So I love the taste here. This one. So it's in the bottle. Okay, so Noni. So there are lots of products that high quality skincare. So all our partners using Atomy products. Okay, so why should choose Atomy? So Atomy, just wait for a moment. I have to change the, I cannot see my PPT. Just wait. Ano mga to, Jim? Just wait for a moment. I ask my daughter to change that, this one. Put in here. I cannot see my PPT. Okay. Okay, so Atomy will help us succeed and achieve our dream. So why you should choose Atomy? Because number one reason for me and myself, Atomy will help me, or will help us, all of us, the partners, 16 million people around the world. Atomy will help us succeed and achieve our dream. Okay, so let's continue, be part of Atomy business. Okay, so only in Atomy you can turn your expenses into income. Okay, that's good news, right? That all our expenses. So here in Atomy, while you are shampooing your hair, so you can have your income while you are toothbrushing your teeth. So using all the products in Atomy, so we can have the income. So that's good news, right? So it's very important. So how to earn in Atomy? So that's the question that we need to answer, especially those who are new. I think Mac is new here in our Atomy Zoom meeting tonight. So I hope he is listening and all of us here. So how to earn in Atomy? So if you look at that in the PPT, wow, it's a big amount, especially when all become imperial. You will receive big money, right? Being used by forklift, no? Especially in the Urot, in the main Atomy Center. So I saw that. That's a big amount of money. Wow, it's so great, right? So once we become all imperial, and it's possible that all of us will become successful and we become imperial. That's why our chairman, Hangul Park, always encouraged us to say, let's make imperial, right? So it's possible, okay? So how to earn here in Atomy? As I've said, I'm sharing to you the ABC. Wow, it's just like we are in the kindergarten. Just remember the ABC, right? But it's very important. Letter A on how to earn here in Atomy. Remember, letter A is to accumulate PB regularly. It's hard? I think so. Or I don't think so. It's hard. It's very easy. Because for us to earn in Atomy business, let us accumulate PB. PB means point value. Okay, so let us accumulate point value regularly. Okay, what is regularly? Maybe weekly. You can buy every other day. So, meaning to accumulate PB, you have to add more PBs on your group, especially if you are already have 300,000 PB on your personal PB, because we have two kinds of PB, your personal PB and group PB. So again, I will said that PB means point value for those who are new here in our Zoom. So maybe you are not yet familiar with the terminology. So PV means point value that we can accumulate every time we purchase products on our online shopping mall, because all products of Atomy have their equivalent PB indicated uh, in our online shopping mall. So our shopping mall is global, right? Using one ID. Wherever you are in the world, so maybe you are in Asia, you are in Europe, so everywhere you can access our online shopping mall. That's great, right? So letter A, on how to have income here in Atomy. Always remember, PB is very important, right? PB. So our point value will be converted into income. So we cannot have income without the PB, because in the system of Atomy, our PV, our point value, will be converted into cash, into income. So without the point value, there is no income. It's easy as like that. Like that. But for us to have earnings a lot, we need to accumulate. So accumulate means we have to add more, add PBs on your group. That's why we need to encourage our team to accumulate PB regularly. Maybe every other day, maybe they're going to buy products weekly or every salary day, payday of those who are working in the company, those have earnings, the wages. Okay, so that we call that accumulate PB regularly. Always remember letter A, right? The ABC of how to have income here in Atomy, right? It's very easy to remember, the ABC. We are just like children here that learning. So, but it's very important. Letter A, accumulate PB regularly. Okay, so add more PBs like what we have here in our PPT, because in our system, we need to add more PB for you to have more income. More PB, more income. More PB, more income. So it's very easy, right? Right? It's very easy. just tell to your partners. If you have 50 partners on your left, 50 partners on your right, so you can talk and encourage them to buy regularly. Okay, so and then from that point, uh, part in our PB, so we can have a lot of income, right? So it's very easy, right? So it's very easy just to buy products and then PB will be accumulated to your ID, okay, in our online shopping mall. So remember, letter A. Okay, so, and then we can buy Atomy products regularly. Of course, for us to have PB, let us buy products. And then aside from that's why we need to buy products for us also to try to ourselves, because as businessmen and women here in Atomy, so we are the first to try the products. That's why I have said earlier, Noni product is the new product here in Philippines. So that's why we also bought that product only today for us also to try. Although I already tried that Noni products while I'm there in Korea. So but here in Philippines, just a new product. So I bought. So my daughter bought that for us to try the taste, and also we can share to other people what's the taste of Noni, something like that. So you can buy cosmetics to yourself and then try it and then have demo to your partners. And then if they buy products, so it accumulate PB because PB is very important here in our business in Atomy. Okay, so buy Atomy products regularly for us to have PB. And then encourage your team to buy as well. Of course, that's very important. We call that action. So we need to have many times I heard that from our sponsors, especially my sponsors in Korea. Most of our sponsors, they always told us about action every day, mail action for us to do our best in Atomy and accumulate a lot of income, right? So encourage your team to buy. So like yours. So if you buy this and then encourage your team, encourage people, then maybe you can buy, as I've said, during salary day, payday. So those who are working, so they can set a standard, maybe because here in Philippines, the salary is not every month, but every 15 days of the month. So meaning, so they get their salary twice a month, no, half. So that's why I encourage some of my members during 15 days, you can buy, and then on the last day of the month, during your salary day, you can buy as well. So meaning, so twice a month, they can buy products, or that's how it works, those who are working in the company. Okay, so but those who have income, every day you have your own business aside from Atomy, so you can buy regularly, maybe every other day. So it depends on how you can apply that word regularly. It depends on how often you do that. Okay, so once we use the word regularly, maybe weekly, so every 3 days, so you can purchase products for you to add more PB. So PB is important, right? Okay, so here, of course, to have general commission, of course, very basic here. So for those who are new here, so it's very important to understand that for your personal PB, you have to accumulate first 300,000 PB for your personal. And then to your group, okay, no matter how many people you have in the group, maybe 10, because you're just started your business, maybe 10, or maybe on the left, 5 or something like that. But those group, if you accumulate 300,000 PB on your left and 300,000 PB on your right, then that's the commission. Okay, so that's the starting point on how you have your income. Okay, so in Korea, we will receive that yukmanon, 60,000 Korean won, and then it should be converted into your currency in different countries. So that's the basic. That's the beginning on how we have income. It's very easy, right? Just accumulate PB, buy the products. So there's no other company offer like that. So especially here in Philippines, there are lots of companies, but only Atomy offers that while you are shampooing your hair, you have income. Yeah, that's good news, right? So it's very important. So 300,000 is very easy because the PV that we have in our products are all high PV. So more than 1,000, no, going up. So there are different, especially if you look at in our the products, there are some promo. So you can purchase 300,000 PV immediately with the promo and the kit. So you can check on that because there are some promos that offered by the Atomy. Okay, right? You can see that in our online shopping mall every time we open. Okay, that's why I encourage all the partners as much as possible, you will open that every day. It is like opening your office, okay? Or you're opening your business every day, okay? So open your business every day. The same in your business using your phone, your laptop, to open that every day, your ID, okay? So to monitor where you are now, how much PB you have already, okay? So then you will receive commission. That's the basic commission. Okay, by using Atomy products, you will accumulate PBs. So it's my picture there. So I really love using Atomy product, cosmetics, and so on and so forth. So the health. So actually, most of the products we are using in here in our house are all Atomy. That's why we can call ourselves Atomians. We are certified Atomians because most of the products we are using, I proudly say that I love Atomy products here in our house. Okay, so my daughter is here, so she can also testify that most of our products here are there. No, so we have our a little showcase here for different products from coffee, so on and so forth. So I love that cosmetics, so on and so forth. So use Atomy products regularly. Okay, so yeah. So here, of course, it's very important that, of course, I'm showing here a little bit products. We have a Absolute here, okay? A lot of products just to prove that. And then collagen, this one, so on and so forth. So meaning, why I'm showing this because every product you have your PB. So if you have your PB, you have your income, right? So that's it's very easy. Buy products and then the PB will be accumulated to your account. So that's why I'm telling this for those new here in our business, but those who are already knew about this is a refresher idea for us to remember only the ABC. You can also use this one. That ABC is very easy to remember. Accumulate PB regularly. Okay, so and the good thing here in Atomy, we have the ceiling PB of accumulation up to 2.4. So that's why we always said to our partners and even to our sponsors, let's meet on the top. We can meet all on the top because we have our ceiling PB up to 2.4. So if you become a Sharon Rose Master, 2.4 up to the Royal Master, Crown Master, up to the Imperial Master, your personal PB only 2.4 million. So meaning, so all people, all partners can accumulate the same PB there in the top. And all of us can be qualified to become Imperial Master. You can be you can be an Imperial Master someday. Maybe 5 years from now, 10 years from now. It depends on how we work hard in Atomy. It's possible because we have a lot of Imperial Masters now here in Atomy. So later we will see that the faces of our Imperial Masters. Okay, so of course, General Commission, I already mentioned that. But one thing I want to show here, if you receive your commission, your group PB will reset into 0. So I know all of you experience this one, especially those already experienced the commission, the income. So once your group PB reach to 300,000, your group PB will reset into 0, right? And then another accumulation of PB. That's why accumulation of PB is important. Letter A is very important. Accumulate PB regularly. So I think it's noisy because it's raining now here in Philippines because there is typhoon. There is typhoon coming in Philippines. I think it's a little noisy here in my place. And then there is a thunder. Maybe you can hear thunder and lightning here in Philippines right now. Okay, so that's letter A. And then letter B. So letter B, we can remember the letter B, binary system growth. Because in Atomy, we are only building binary system. Okay, binary, two heads, two line, left and right. Okay, Windchok, Orinchok. So two lines only are required for us to grow our line. Binary system growth. Although you have your binary, but you need to grow your binary, your people. That's why we need to add more people from different countries. Sorry if the flag of your country are not here. Maybe the space is not enough. Next time I will add all the flags of the world. Okay, if you are checking right now in your screen, sorry if the flag of your country is not here. Okay, sorry for that. But what I mean here, binary system, you can add more people from different countries of the world. Okay, so wherever they are, maybe in Canada, in US, no? So anywhere in the world. So maybe you have your partner in the Philippines, you have your partner in Korea, wherever they are, you can use them, you can invite them as your partner. Remember letter B, for us to have income. The more you grow your binary, your group, left and right, we will grow strong and we will have a lot of income because our business is global. Okay? It's very easy to remember, right? Accumulate PB, letter A, and letter B, binary system growth. You have to grow your line because our system is unlimited. Okay, so maybe those who are new here in our Atomy system, you can later you can ask questions. Okay, so for more information about my topic, so this one, so because we are encouraged to grow our binary because it's unlimited. We can have a lot of people in our line, as many as we can, from different countries of the world. Maybe from Vietnam, from Indonesia, from Malaysia. So wherever they are, Vietnam, so Korea, so wherever, you can join them. Okay, so letter B is binary system growth. You have to grow your line. Binary, just binary. Right? You are required only 2 person, and then your 2 person will also encourage 2 person. But you know what? There is a system that you need to understand. For example, you have your 2 person, and then the 2 person that you have are not yet invited 2 person. And then if you have 1 person, you can make your line like this, straight line. Like for example, okay, this one. I hope you see this in the screen. The proper way on how to arrange if all these people are from yours. So you can do like this. Okay, so going straight, and then your partner will do the right line. Okay, because automatically, once we join the person, it automatically, the system will put him or her on the left line, right? So that's why if this person are all yours, so you can make it a straight line, okay? Straight line, so that you can accumulate all the PVs there, and then your partners will work on the right side, okay, for their partners. Okay, so now that's how it works here. Especially if these people are from yours, maybe they're your friends, and then other side is your family members. So, and then for them to work also, to do their part, so they will work on the right side. They will put people on the right side, okay, as well as on the other side. So the same, this is how it works here in Atomy. Okay, so for you to have that straight line. Okay, so like for example, this one. Okay, so another example on how to grow our, like for example, that one. That's how the system works. All are in the right. So and then the other color here, only white. This is for your partner. Okay, that he's working on the right right group. Okay, so and then all the PBs will be accumulated. No, total. For example, yeah, like that. So and then the time you accumulate the 300,000 PB, as I've said, it will reset into zero, right? So go back to another accumulation. So the same like that. So once your line go straight on how to arrange your binary, okay? Because letter B on how to earn easily in Atomy should manage your binary system. Just binary, left and right. Okay, always match the points and always do the monitoring, because maybe if you have your 500,000 PB on your left and then the other side is not yet, so it's you can spill over all the PB on your left. So you need to monitor on that. You have to maintain that 300,000 PB because that's in the system already. Okay, so okay, well, as I've said, this is a fair ceiling cap system. So all of us, compared to other multi-level marketing, so we have the ceiling cap or the maximum commission amount. So for those personal PB, we are required only up to 2.4 million PB. That's Atomy. That's why we can meet all of the top. Okay. Okay, so of course, to grow your line and to have more income, because the more grow your line in binary system, you can have income. Of course, invite people. I know it's not easy to invite people, right? Especially haulers in Philippines. If you invite people to the business, they have a lot of excuses, right? I hope you can hear me clearly because it's very noisy now. The typhoon already coming to Philippines. It's thunder. So invite people and then follow up and then connecting people. No? So it's very important to connect them, maybe through phone call, uh, through messenger. So any means of communication for you to invite them, connect them to Atomy system, because Atomy system is the pathway to success. Okay, so I will move a little faster. Okay, so here in Atomy Success System, of course, we need to encourage our partners and all of us as well to attend Success Academy, one-day seminar, center meeting, global seminar, online seminar. Okay, have you attended this one? It's very important. Okay, for those who are serious in doing the business and if you want to earn more, keep on learning. Join the meeting. Okay, the time I was there in Korea for 2 years, I always attended Success Academy every month there in Urot. Okay, so and then one day seminar, Good Morning Atomy. So yeah, so my sponsor can testify that while I'm there in Korea, I attended the meeting. Okay, even though it's difficult for me to speak Korean, but I use a translator, so for me to understand everything. Okay, so it's very important. Okay, letter C. We're almost done here. So because just only A, B, C. I hope you remember the A is accumulate PV regularly, and then B. What is B? Binary system growth. Binary system growth, meaning you have to grow your line. Don't be contented if you have already 100 people on your left, 100 people on your right. Grow more because it's unlimited. Okay? Grow, grow, grow. Like a tree that grow, grow, and bear much fruit, right? Okay, so letter C is the word consistency. Okay, as businessmen and women here in Atomy, we need to be consistent. Don't stop if the situation is hard. If the situation is difficult, don't stop. Okay? So never stop. I hope if you can say comment there in the comment, you can say never stop. Never quit. Okay? You can have your comment. Okay? Never stop. So consistency. Be consistent. Success is possible to those who are consistent. Okay? Did you believe that? Success is possible like the Imperial Masters. Here you can see the picture. Even our chairman Hangul Park always told us that the time he gives speeches that we need to be consistent in doing the business. Okay, mastership is possible to those who are consistent. Don't be contented that if you're already sales master, diamond master, aim for higher, aim high, okay? And then big income is possible to those who are consistent. Don't be contented if you have your Yokman on every week or every month. Dream for more. Aim high. Aim for more. Be consistent, okay? That's the ABC of having income here in Atomy. This is the power of consistency, okay? So success is possible to those who are consistent. Mastership is possible to those who are consistent. And then big income is possible to those who are consistent. So meaning, don't stop, continue even in difficult situation. Okay, so these are our Imperial Masters. So they are consistent people. They will not become, or they would not become Imperial Master if they are not consistent, right? So the same with us. Let's make Imperial. We become Imperial if we continue and never stop, like them. So be their let's be their inspiration. So I don't know who among them are your inspiration. So but I know we are being inspired by all these Imperial Masters here. Okay, every time they give speech, so listen and apply their idea. Successful people in Atomy are all consistent. Okay, so they're not giving up. All of these Imperial Masters here and all other masters in Atomy. So consistent action leads to big commission. Okay, remember that? Consistent action leads to a big commission. Wow, do you want that? So general commission, commission for mastership, then bonus for mastership, and then commission educational center. So if you are planning to put up a center or Atomy center, so you can ask on how to put up Atomy center because it depends on different countries on how to start. Okay, so we have different requirements or system on how to start the Atomy center in your country. So because here in Philippines also we have some requirements for us to fulfill. I heard if you are already sales master, so you can be qualified to put up or start Atomy Center. So that's also my dream. I'm aiming for that also, okay, to put up educational center because there is also an income in there through educational and our center of Atomy. So there are different main source of income in Atomy from general commission. Every time you have your pairing, 30,000 PB, and then commission for mastership. So later on, we will discuss some more on mastership because we have 7 level of mastership here. And then bonus for mastership. And then commission from the center. So that's also income. So we have 4 main source of income here in Atomy. Okay, like that. So we have Sales Master, Diamond Master, Sharon Rose Master, Star Master, Royal Master, Crown Master, up to the Imperial Master. So and then we have monthly income. Approximately here we have like that. So later I will discuss that one by one. So just only to figure out that's the different level of mastership. So sales master, you are required to have personal PB of 700,000. Diamond master, you are required to have personal PB for 1.5 million. And then Sharon Rose master, 2.4 million for your personal PB up to the Imperial master. That's the ceiling. That's the maximum PB to be accumulated for our personal PB. Okay, so this is how we have this big amount of income if we are consistent. So meaning if you are now sales master, so if you are, so actually this time my daughter is in challenge for sales master starting 16 up to this end of the month, 31st. So we're still going on in our sales master challenge for her. So my daughter. Okay, so we need to accumulate 2.5 million PB on the left group. That's why we need to grow our line so that we can easily accumulate 2.5 million PB on the left and then as well as on the right. And then if you accumulate that, so you will receive a commission of 1,500 euro. Okay, so we are and then plus the bonus of 300 euro bonus. Okay, so that's how it works here. I don't know how much that in your money and other country, but here in Philippines, we have 20 peso incentives plus the income. Okay, so that's the pairing. So more or less we receive 40, more or less 40,000 peso in here in Philippines. Okay, so and then another level is Diamond Master. Of course, you are required to have personal PB will reach to 1.5 million. Okay, if you have 1.5 million now in your personal PB, you are qualified to become a Diamond Master if you have 2 sales master on your left and 2 sales master on your right. So that's I'm aiming because if my daughter will finish her sales master this month, so I have because I have 2 sales master already on my right. So and then I need to have one more sales master on my left, and then I believe I will become a Diamond Master. So I'm hoping and praying for that. Okay, so you will receive 4,500 euro plus your bonus 1,050 euro. Actually, all this amount are already in the system. So your sponsor will not, we cannot snatch the amount. It's already in the system. It's all yours. Okay, once you reach this level of mastership, Diamond Master, it's already in the system. How much commission, how much money you will receive, it's already set in the system. Yeah, our system is very good because it's already there and it's very solid and strong. So another level is Sharon Rose Master. Of course, to become a Sharon Rose Master, you are required to have your personal PB of 2.4 million PB, and then you are encouraged also to have a 2 Diamond Master on your left and 2 Diamond Master on your right. And then you will receive an amount of 10,000 euro plus 1,600 euro bonus plus 2 travel tickets for immediate family of for 3 nights and 4 days. Okay, so you can have your travel, I think, in Korea or in Songnaesan Forest or wherever in Korea, maybe in Jeju Island, so wherever in Korea, it's a good thing, right? You can have your travel in Korea. And then after that, you can become another level, become a Star Master. Okay, so that's why we are aiming for more, another level. Be consistent. Don't be contented if you are already Sharon Rose Master. Aim for more. Aim for higher level. So Star Master, of course, you're required to have 2.4 million PB as well. So that's the last level, the maximum level of the Sales Master, 2.4. Then you are required to have 2 Sharon Rose Master on your left So Sharon Rose Master on your right, and then you will receive the income of 20,000 euro, and then plus your bonus of 7,500 euro, just a bonus, plus business training tour in Korea, and then 4 travel tickets for immediate family, 3 nights and 4 days. Wow, it's good, right? So Atomy will compensate your effort and your hard work here in Atomy, as long as we are consistent. Always remember the ABC, right? It's very easy. Accumulate PB, binary system growth, grow your line, your binary, don't miss up. So always grow your line left and right. And then letter C, be consistent. Okay? And then you can be rich on the top. Those who are consistent can reach on the top, right? But those who are quitters will not. It's very easy as that, right? So, and then now, you become a Royal Master. Okay, so of course, a Royal Master, you're required to have a 2-star Master on your left and then 2-star Master on your right. So, same concept. Okay, and then you will receive 30,000 euro for your income, and then you will receive a bonus of 37,000 euro. Then permission to use 1,500 euro per month for sponsored activity. So you're given that amount for your operational expenses to promote Atomy, and then car rental, business tour, plus 4 travel tickets for immediate family for 10 nights. So it's very long time. 10 nights and 11 days. Wow. If you are, I think, Royal Master. Okay, so that's the great opportunity here in Atomy, because our business it's good and also can be inherited up to the 3rd generation. So it's good thing, right? So because you can inherit your business to your loved ones up to 3rd generation. And then the another level is the Crown Master. So the 6th level of mastership is the Crown Master. You have your personal PB. So 2.4, if you notice, the same 2.4 million PB. So you are required to have 2 Royal Master on your left, 2 Royal Master on your right, and then you will receive the income of 60,000 euro plus your bonus of 225,000 euro. I don't know how much that in your country's money, but in Philippines, it's a big amount. I think it's around 20 million peso. Okay, as Crown Master or more. Okay, and then permission to use 3,700 euro per month for sponsored activity. It's a luxury car. Wow, that's great. Business tour plus 4 travel tickets for immediate family of 10 nights and 11 days. So you are given all these privileges in Atomy. So you can have your travel. Wow, that's great, right? That's amazing. We can say it's amazing, right? So, but we need to be consistent. Remember, the word consistent is power. Be consistent in what you do. Even in hard times, difficult times, be consistent. Go on, move forward, never stop. You can rest for a while, but never stop. Okay? Just rest. Okay, so the last level, let's make Imperial. Okay, so to be an Imperial, that's our dream. All of us can be qualified to be an Imperial because we have the ceiling level of PB. It's possible that all of us someday, maybe 10 years from now, 7 years from now, 8 years from now, it depends on how you consistent in what you're doing. So maybe those who are very hardworking and consistent, maybe 5 years from now, you are Imperial Master. Or maybe 2 years from now. So you are required to have 2 Crown Master on your left, 2 Crown Master on your right. Wow, that's great. She will receive the amount of 90,000 euro plus the bonus of 740,000 euro bonus. Actually, in Philippines, it's a big amount. It is around 40 million peso. Okay, so I think it's a big amount. That's in the forklift. You saw that a while ago in our PPT. So that an Imperial Master can receive that a big amount. that can be carried by a forklift there in Korea. So for you to receive the amount, it's not, it's very heavy. You cannot carry by yourself. Okay, so you will receive and permission to use 7,000 euro per month for sponsored activity. So luxury car, office rental costs, support, and then personal assistant, then driver, business tour, plus 4 travel tickets for immediate family, about 10 nights and 11 days. Wow, that's great, right? We can say it's amazing. It's all privilege for us if we are consistent. Always remember the ABC, just very basic, right? But it's powerful. So A stands for accumulate PB, more PB, and then binary system growth, grow your binary, grow more people, and then last, letter C is consistency. Be consistent, never give up, don't stop, move forward. Okay? So like here, we can choose if you want to become, especially if we challenge ourselves to become a sales master. So we have 2 cycle here. I will do it faster. So first cycle 1 to 15. So you can challenge your partner if you want to become a sales master. So this time my daughter challenge to sales master. I choose second cycle 16 to 31st of the month. Okay? So for you to do that, so you have to accumulate 2.5 million PB on the left, 2.5 million PB on the right. Okay? So challenge period, of course, encourage and empower your team to accumulate 2.5 million group PB on your left and 2.5 million group PB on your right. So that's how it works here in Atomy. And then we will have a different success club. So we have Auto Sales Master Club. So if you maintain 12 times per year, so actually there is a new system here that 6 months successive sales master, also you are qualified to be an auto sales master. Okay, and then we have Leaders Club with that annual salary of 4,000 peso or more. So and then so on and so forth. We have Royal Leaders Club. Maybe someday we'll part of this. Okay, so because we are aiming for higher level, so it means Atomy already set the pathway that we need to walk toward the end. Okay, so Atomy already prepared the pathway for us to follow toward success. So like this Crown Leaders Club. So with that salary. Okay, so actually here, as I mentioned, the ASM Auto Sales Master, just to read it quickly. So effective April 2026, first cycle in additional qualification pathway for Auto Sales Master. To qualify under the new criteria, members must maintain the Sales Master title at least once per month for 6 consecutive months. Okay, you must have to maintain, okay, your sales master for 6 consecutive months for you to be entitled as auto sales master. Okay, so and then you have your pin like a swan, swan pin you are given. You are being awarded of that. Okay, so as auto sales master. So this is how it works here in Atomy, that all our effort will be compensated as long as we understand the letter C. The consistency is very important. Okay, that's the fuel of ourselves. Okay, so without the fuel, you will stop. So consistency is our fuel, our faith. Okay, we need to be consistent. Okay, so that's all I can share tonight. Thank you. 감사합니다.